Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study permutations and combinations. Exercise 7.1. Question number 1. How many three-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Using these digits, how many three-digit numbers can be formed? Assuming that repetition of the digits is allowed. Repetition of digits allowed. Here, our job is to construct a three-digit number, unit 10, 100. If we place any three digits from these digits at three places, a three-digit number will be formed, like 321. This is a number using 321 or 253. This is another example. 257 is not possible because here 7 is not given. You are required to find three-digit number using only these digits. Your job is put three numbers from these digits at these three places, at unit place, 10 place, 100 place. Here question says that repetition of digits allowed, that is from 111 to 555, all numbers can be taken. That is, we can put any digit from these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From these 5 digits, we can put any number, any digit at any place. So this place can be filled in 5 ways. Any digit from these 5. This also can be filled in 5 ways. This also can be filled in 5 ways. When all places are filled, then our job is complete. Therefore, total number of ways will be multiplied. So this is equal to 125. So answer is, there are 125 three-digit numbers. Now, in same question, second is repetition of digit not allowed. Repetition not allowed means we cannot take 111 or 555 or 222, 333, 444. Or even we cannot take 225. This also cannot be taken. One digit will be used only once. Repetition not allowed. In such case, again, unit 10, 100. Three places are to be filled. But at unit place, we are free to take any 5 digits from these, any one digit from these 5, which therefore unit place can be filled in 5 ways. But since repetition is not allowed, therefore which digit is placed at unit place cannot be used further. Therefore we have only 4 digits remains to put at 10 place. So therefore 10 place can be filled in 4 ways. Now 2 digits are placed, one at unit, another at 10. So therefore we have only 3 digits to put here. This can be filled in 3 ways. Here repetition not allowed. When all places are filled, unit 1000, then our job become completed. Therefore we multiply total number of ways. Principle of multiplication, which I will explain, which I have explained in my previous class. Principle of multiplication is equal to 60. So there are 63 digit numbers are possible, which are made from these digits where digits not allowed. This is your question number 1. Now take next question. Question number 2 states that how many 3-digit even numbers? In your first question there is no case of even or odd, but here 3-digit number must be even number. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Your available digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will construct 3-digit even number using these 6 digits. If the digits can be repeated, Now unit 10, 100. 3 places are to be filled. Since in this case number must be even, so for that unit place can be filled only with the help of 2, 4 and 6. If we fill unit place by 1, 3 and 5, that number cannot be even. For even, unit place must be even digit. So this place can be filled only in 3 ways, either by 2 or by 4 or by 6. From these 3 even digits, we can fill 3 ways at unit place. But repetition is allowed. Digits can be repeated. Repetition is allowed. Therefore, 10 place again can be filled in 6 ways. Digit placed here also can be used at this place because repetition allowed. This place also can be filled in 6 ways. Total number of ways will be multiplied because if all 3 places are filled by some digits, then 3-digit number will be formed. Therefore, total number will be what? 108. This is your answer. Now See question number 4. Question number 3 is your homework. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once? Repetition not allowed. Your telephone number consists of 5 digits, but it is given that all telephone number will always start with 67. First 2 digit will be 67. Likewise, sometime before, BSNL number starts with 94, Reliance will start with 93, and so on. So therefore, all number will start from 67. And total digits in number is 5. So therefore, you again had 3 places X, Y, Z to fill up. Among 5-digit numbers, 2 are fixed. Therefore, 2 places are out of consideration because starting 2 places are fixed by 6 and 7. You have available option 0 to 9, that is 10 options are given to you, among which 2 places are filled by 6 and 7. Repetition also not allowed. Therefore, among 10 digits you have only 8 digits available because 6 and 7 are fixed. Now this place can be filled in. Your telephone will be of the form 67 starting digits, then X, Y, Z. This can be ignored because this is fixed. Now 3 places can be filled by 8 wedge, 7 wedge, 6 wedge. Among 10 digits, 2 digits are already filled. Therefore, total 8 options are available, which this place can be filled in 8 wedge because 8 options available. But when we put any digit here, then option reduces by 1. This place can be filled in 7 ways, this by 6 ways. But all will be multiplied. Is equal to what? (56 into 6) is equal to 336. Now solve remaining questions of exercise 7.1, and if there is any problem, feel free to ask the same. Thank you.